Hey everyone, welcome back to Study with Sri. So in the previous video, we learned the ln pattern, the one that makes integrals feels like a cheat code. In that, we learned if an integral looks like f prime x over f of x, the integral of it would be ln f of x, the modulus plus c. So now this video, we are going to apply the idea that we have learned in the previous video, and we're going to approach these 4 questions and try to understand the pattern. But you have to understand all of them are in the same type, all of them are the same type, just they are wearing the different clothes. But when you are approaching these questions, one thing you have to always remember: check the denominator, differentiate it. If the numerator is the derivative of the denominator, then the answer would be ln form. So let's try and let's dive into these questions. So the first question, the integral of 6x squared, denominator is x cubed minus 1. So alright, so let's see. In this question, we have to identify the denominator. So denominator, let me take it as f of x. And then we have to find out the derivative of this f of x, which is derivative of x cubed minus 1 is 3x squared. And I'm gonna check, is it matching with the numerator? It's not exactly matching, but you can understand that 6x squared, it can be manipulated. You can write 6x squared as 2 times 3x squared. So I can write the 6x squared is 2 times f prime x. Now let's try to apply the rule, which is the integral of 6x squared over x cubed minus 1 is very simple. It is 2 ln x cubed minus 1 plus c. And let's try to understand the second question, which is the integral of x over 2 minus x squared. So first we have to identify in this question, our denominator is d minus x squared. Then differentiate the denominator, which is minus 2x. Now compare the denominator with the numerator. Numerator is x, but still we can manipulate it. So we can rewrite the numerator. Our numerator is x. I can write the numerator as minus of into minus of 2x. 2 cancels and minus into minus plus x. So we can get the 4. So the idea is I can write the x over x minus the x over 2 minus x squared, you can write, which is minus of minus 2x over 2 minus x squared. So minus 2 you can write as it is. If you consider 2 minus x squared as f of x, minus 2x is f prime x. If it is f prime x over f of x, then the integral is ln f of x plus c, and then you have a minus half. So your final answer would be, you have to write minus half ln the modulus, your f of x is 2 minus x squared plus c. So the integral of x over 2 minus x squared is dx. A very simple approach. Now the question number 3. It is a trigonometric version, but it's the same trick. So our question, cos x over 1 plus sin x. Let's try to understand the integral here. So first we have to identify the denominator. So our denominator I consider as f of x, which is 1 plus sin x. Let me find out the f prime, the derivative, which is derivative of sin x is cos x. And I'm gonna compare with the numerator. Yes, it's the same. So that's an exact match with the numerator. So you can write the integral of cos x over 1 plus sin x is equals to ln 1 plus sin x plus c. And let's try one more question. But let's try differently. This question is going to be a definite integral, but the same pattern, a very simple idea. So let's integrate the lower limit 0, the upper limit 1, the integral of 2e or e to the power x, 1 plus e to the x. Now I do a small manipulation here. Let me write it as lower limit 0, the upper bound is 1, 2 into e to the x, 1 plus e to the x. So let me identify the denominator, which is, let me consider that as f of x, which is 1 plus ex. Let me figure f prime x, which is the derivative of e to the power x. It's simply e to the power x itself. So let me compare with the numerator. Yes, in the numerator also I have e to the power x. So this one I can write 0, 1. I can bring the 2 out. E to the x over 1 plus e of e to the x, which is 2 into ln 1 plus e to the x, and my lower limit would be 0 and upper limit would be 1. Now substitute the limits carefully and it's going to be very simple. So at x is equals to 1, it is 2 ln 1 plus e to the 1, which is e. At x is equals to 0, it would be 2 ln 1 plus e to the 0 is 1 again, and that would be 2 ln 2. So our final value would be, it's simply 2 ln 1 plus e minus 2 ln 2. So simple idea. Let me factor the 2 out. Ln 1 plus c minus ln 2. And if you know the laws of logarithm, you can write the natural logarithm 1 plus e minus ln 2. It can be written ln 1 plus e divided by 2. Alright, so that's it for the day. So what did we learn? In every question we use the same idea. Look at the denominator, differentiate it. If the numerator matches, or else if it is with a constant multiple, then the integral becomes ln of the denominator. That's the f prime over f pattern. So it's a very interesting idea. So here we just understand the pattern and we know the several questions, we try several questions, and this is gonna be a cakewalk for you. So in the next video we move to the integration by substitution. Also we can call it as a U substitution. That's the method we mostly use for the complex integrations, but we can make it very interesting and very easy. I want you to try the similar kind of questions, and I want you to have a necessary practice, and then the integration will be very easy for you.